Greetings, citizens of the universe. I am Dawn.
Private Beck MacArthur reporting for duty.
On second thought, you will simply hand the money over to me right now.
Now.
For my audition, I'm gonna demonstrate how kitchen rats taught me to hunt for Cappy.
Man, Chris should have let Lightning be a team of one. But if Chris is trying to make Lightning look bad, he should have let Lightning be a team of one.
I just saw Sace. I'm Sammy, not Sace. I don't even know why I said that. No one has ever called me Sace. I don't have a sister or anything. It's pretty much just me. And I'm really confident because of the no Sace thing. And
My parents named me Scarlet.
A lot of people have told me I look like a young Chris McClane. In fact, my nickname is Chris 2.0.
Morning, campers! Time to eat pancakes!
Welcome to Total Drama!
Bad shish!
Hey! Hi!
Hey! Hi! Hey! Hi!
What's up, hello?
Hungry for a tasty